Good morning, my dear students. So today we're going to be learning about mathematics. And so let's start with the warm-up activity. There are 7 girls on the bus. Each girl has 7 backpacks. In each backpack there is a small cat. How many legs are on the bus, not including the driver? We'll have 1 minute to answer this question. 30 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining on the timer. Great. So our timer is done. Now let us see the answer. If your answer is correct, please put a tick, and if you have any doubt, please comment it down below and it will be answered as soon as possible. So the answer here is 210. Our topic today is written multiplication. Our word is multiply 2, 3, or 4 digit number by a single digit number. Our word today is recall the multiplication table up to 10 by 10. Calculate the product using the formal written method, and analyze and solve word problems involving multiplication. Just something to say, if you don't know your multiplication tables until 12, you can't do any of those. So please try to revise your multiplication tables before you open the session. So our keyword today is multiplication, product, carryover, and factors. Multiplication is our process. Product is the answer, or the multiplication. Carryover is the remaining that we add, and factors are the number that we multiply. The word of the day today is factors. So let's proceed to the next slide, please. Our starter today is minute mental math. So let's do these 3 mental math. You'll have 1 minute to do them. 30 more seconds remaining on the timer. Okay, the time is done. For the first one, 7 by 3, our answer is going to be 21. If your answer was correct, please put a tick mark on it. 21 is our answer here. On the next one, our answer is going to be 72. As I said in the previous one, if your answer is correct, add a tick mark. And on the third one, please think carefully on how you will do it, because our next question is going to be how did you solve the last one. So, and if you're using calculator, please don't use it, so you can see how you will get the answer. Okay, so the answer here is 344. How did we get this answer? I'm going to explain that in the next question right here. So here is the question. Think of it careful, please. Okay, so here is what we're going to do. Uh, 8 by 3 equals 24. 24 are two numbers. So we're going to be putting 4 down and 2 up as a carryover. So here is our 4, our 2 proceeded up and our 4 proceeded down. Our 8 by 4 is how much? 8 by 4 is 32. 32 plus 2, the carryover equals 34. So that's what makes our answer 344. Please, if you have any doubts, comment it down below so your doubt can be solved. Sorry for that, but let us proceed to our next step, which is writing the name of the method. This method is known as written multiplication. This is written multiplication, which is our topic today. So here the answer will be written multiplication. Let's go to the presentation time. Amina solved 775.8 is 5,640. So Amina solved 75 by 8 and her answer was 5,640. What we're going to do is we're going to be checking if this answer is correct or not. So please pause the video and unpause it when you're done to see if your answer is correct or not. You're going to be given also a minute here. So I'm sure you're done by now. So let's try answering that question. So 75 by 8. First of all, we need to multiply 8 by 5, which the answer will be 40. We'll put the 0 up and the 4, the 0 down and the 4 up. Sorry for any confusion. And then we will 8 by 7. What is 8 by 7? Let us check. 8 by 7 is 56. 56 plus our carryover is 60. So down we'll write 60, which made the answer 600. So her answer, Amina's answer, is wrong. So let's proceed to our next slide. Try these. Find the product of them using written multiplication. You can pause the video and unpause it when you're done. I'm sure you're done by now. So here are the answers. For number 1, 35 by 4 equals 140. Number 2, 286 by 7 equals 2002. And for number 3, 397 by 8 equals 3,176. Let's proceed to the next slide. Self-assessment. Can you do this? Or I'm getting there, or you need help. If you need help or you're getting there, please comment your issue down below and your issue is going to be solved either in a video or replied with a comment. So here, find 367 by 5. Table 5 is super easy, so this is going to be super easy for you. So let's find it. Great, our answer here is 1835. The conversion of $1 to dirham is 3.67 dirhams. If I have $5, how much is in dirham? So this is kind of tricky, but let's do it together. So what we'll do is we'll multiply this right here by this. So 3.5.67 by 5. What will it give us? Try to answer it yourself, please. 1 minute on the timer. Okay, so let's see our answer. The answer should be 18.35. Sorry for that. Just give me a couple of seconds. The answer is 18.35. Okay, sorry for the writing, but it doesn't write good. Next question. How would you use answer to find 367 by 5? We will multiply it. Excellent. So here are some questions. You need to calculate them. You could just take a screenshot and make the answer by yourself. Okay, so let's see the answers. Here are the answers for number 1, 25,388. Number 2, 25,388 as well. And for number 3, $44.52. Assess yourself. I can do this. I'm ready to move on or explain to a friend. I'm almost there. I may need more practice or help. I don't understand. I need more work or need help on this. Okay, so next week I'm going to be having a live, and in that live we're going to be answering some Nearpods and Kahoots and quizzes about our past math topics. So please be ready. If you need help, you're going to be help there as well. It will be live. I hope you join the live. It will be next week on Thursday. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get a notification when we ever go live. Next slide, please. Time to climb, as I told you, to be proceeded on next week's live. Our wrap up is create a story word problem that uses the following statement: 136 by 6 equals. So the story means as what I'm going to say right now. I entered the class. My first session was a mathematical class. The teacher asked me, what is 136 by 6? And you have to say the answer, of course, and then complete the story. You can do any type of story. You can say, I went to the grocery shop, I did whatever. Thank you. That is it for this week's video. If you would like any recommendation, please comment it down below. If you have any doubt, comment it down below. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.